Do you want to know the one indicator smart money traders love to shake before they trade? I'm about to show you exactly how to set up and trade with the VWAP indicator to help you make money. But alright, so now let's jump back here into TradingView. I'm currently looking here at Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame. And remember here that the VWAP is best used for day trading and scalping. So you can use anywhere from, maybe the 1 minute time frame up to a max of like 15 to 30 minutes. You might even use the 1 hour, but I recommend to go at least below the 30-minute time frame. But you can use the 1 hour too. But here, to open up the VWAP, you go to the Indicators tab in TradingView, and then you simply search for the VWAP like this. And as you can see, we have two built-in indicators, and we also have tons of indicators created by the TradingView community. That is one thing I really like about TradingView. But here, I will start by showing you the normal built-in VWAP. So let's open this one up. If we got time later on in this video, I will show you guys another VWAP as well. But first of all, this standard built-in VWAP indicator is very solid. And now I just want to make it a bit more clear. So I go up to the settings tab. I like to just, let's increase the thickness here of the middle line. And if you want to change it as I had it in the beginning, I changed this one to circles, this one to circles, and to purple. I think I had it like a little bit like this, and then we press OK. So now let's take a look at a trading strategy step by step. And remember from earlier in the video, we are looking at two trading strategies. First of all, we're looking at trend bias. So if the price is below the VWAP, we're looking for short trades. And if the price is above the VWAP, we're looking for long trades. Here, you can see that right here was when the day started for Bitcoin. And you can first of all see that the previous VWAP gets reset at this point. But here on this day, you can see that the price started by falling here, and during the whole day we were in a sort of downtrend. We traded below the VWAP, clearly below the VWAP. So here we're looking out for short trades. And remember, the second strategy I talked about is that we're looking for the VWAP to come for the price to come back to the VWAP, and this is a good place where we can look out for trades. However, if you have been following my channel for a while, you know that two concepts I pretty much always combine with indicators are price action and market structure. And in this case, we actually had a specific pattern. So let me mark this one up right here. Let me actually use a whole line. You can see that during this pullback, when the price returned to the VWAP, we actually had a sort of rising wedge, right? This right here is a specific chart pattern indicating a continuation to the downside. By the way, if you want to learn more about chart patterns, I do have a full chart pattern training course right here on the channel. I highly recommend to check that one out, and I will link that one up in the video card as well as the description. But here we had two things happening at the same time. We had the price coming up to the VWAP, and we also had this breakout from the rising wedge. So this right here could definitely have been an entry point. Remember, we're looking for short trades, so if we enter here at the breakout candle, our entry would be right there. As for the stop loss, I would, first of all, since this is a rising wedge, I would set it just above the high of the wedge. But what you can also notice that in this case, it aligns with just above the VWAP. So that is a very nice stop loss level. And as for your risk to reward, a risk to reward ratio of 2 would have been right there. It would have been some quick profit. But in this case, you can see that we could have used a much larger risk to reward as well. And we would have caught this move and made some nice profit. But right, so these were just two basic strategies of the VWAP. I actually do have many more I want to cover, but I think in this video we'll definitely not have time to cover everyone, so I will save the rest of the trading strategies for our YouTube channel members. If you didn't know, we have an amazing community right here on YouTube where I share presentations like this one. I also share exclusive videos, exclusive posts, even some trading tools that you guys can use. So if you want to get access to all these strategies and at the same time support the channel, you can, consider becoming a channel member by clicking join down below. However, I do want to cover some more things in this video. So this video was actually just a very short clip from our full VWAP trading guide right here on YouTube. To access the full guide, simply click or tap on the screen right here. I hope I will see you all over there very, very soon.